In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft OneDrive account in just 5 minutes. Starting out, you'll need to open up a web browser of your choice and navigate to onedrive.com. You'll find the option to create a new account prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where you can begin the sign up process. Next, you'll need to provide an email address. If you don't already have an email account, you may need to create one first, as it's essential for setting up your OneDrive account. Once you've entered your email address, simply click on the next button to proceed. Now it's time to create a password. Make sure you choose something secure, combining letters, numbers and symbols, so it's hard to guess but still memorable for you. After typing in your chosen password, hit next once again. The following step will ask you to enter your personal details, including your first and last name. These details are crucial as they will help personalize your OneDrive experience. Click next after you're done. From here, you'll be prompted to select your country and fill in your birth date. This information is often used for security reasons and to ensure you're of legal age to hold an account. After providing these details, go ahead and click Next. Following this, Microsoft will send you a security code to the email address you provided earlier. Check your email inbox and possibly your spam folder if you don't see it right away, and grab the code. Enter it in the appropriate field on the OneDrive sign up page and click Next. Once you've verified your email, you'll need to continue following the on-screen prompts to complete the account creation process. Microsoft may ask for additional verifications, like a phone number, to further secure your account. Ensure that you complete all prompts fully to avoid any hiccups in the future. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Microsoft OneDrive account. With your new account, you can start storing and sharing files seamlessly across all your devices. Remember to keep your login details safe and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Congratulations on taking this step to manage your digital files with confidence and ease. Don't forget to explore the various features and capabilities within OneDrive, which can significantly enhance your productivity and organization. That's it for today's guide, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy exploring!